Sometime back last year, I was on a nature walk and I came across these wild strawberries growing in the bush, and I had the curiosity to uproot one seedling, and I came and planted it over here on my front yard, and it has grown so amazingly that I thought I should share with you on this. I did choose this sunny spot that receives long hours of sunshine, and also the soil here is very well drained. The only caution growing wild strawberries, as I've noted, is they become very bushy, so they can conquer a place, so it's advisable that you prune frequently so that you shape it to the minimal size that you will require. Otherwise, the fruit requires minimal maintenance and it produces very abundantly, as you can see here. Then you get to harvest the fruits that are red, like this one. I must say the fruit is very sweet compared to the cultivated one, and also it's very tart when compared to the same. And I'm told it contains salicylic acid, which is very important in fighting liver, kidney problems, rheumatism, gout, and such problems. So it's a good crop. You can harvest it and consume it fresh, or you can cook it, or you can freeze it for later use. It can also be processed into jams. Today I thought that you should know this, and I kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.